guys, I'm just keeping on. Yes. Anyway, yeah. Like I said last time, press something again, we're gonna be choked out. Now we're gonna do a video. This thresh once again with J-Quan, aka J-Frog. Yeah. J-Frog, now we're gonna do a song. It's by my girl named Keisha. And she is fucking everything, yeah.
His girl. Not my girl.
His girl.
My baby.
Tatiana. He's coming, baby. He's coming. Anyway. There it goes.
Oh, you're not ready for that? She ready.
Fuck, man. We probably look like some song. Well, I look like a
They still ain't ready. Still precious.
Because the next video, I'm going to get prisoners. Anyway. Here goes. I don't know her in middle school, but still are. I'm 17 and all I could do was think about you. Back in elementary, all the girls are shooting that you did. I went to you one time and I said, could you be my Valentine? You said, yes, so we out here. You know, that's why it's called Puppy Love. They say seeing is believing. I really think that scene is believing. Then I looked at you, then you looked at me. Then I said to myself that this is meant to be.
Oh, puppy love, school they love. Puppy love, school they love. Puppy love, school they love. Puppy love, school they love.
What?
Reason why I'm all want me.
Why?
I want you to marry me. I want you to be my wife for life. We may fuss and fight, but I know we can make it right. Ooh yeah. I wanna take you on the magic carpet ride to soar above the clouds. It's puppy love, school they love, 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 puppy love, school they love,
Puppy love.
puppy love. Puppy love,
puppy love, school they love, puppy love, school they love, puppy love, school they love, puppy love, school they love. And we about to be out, so give a shout out to my girl.
I love you, baby.
I love you.